You're watching NDTV 24/7. These are pictures coming in from Peshawar, where firing has now reported to have stopped, but we're still trying to get official confirmation of that. You're seeing security forces who have moved in around the Army Public School in Peshawar, where several gunmen, reportedly up to 8, entered earlier today and fired at school children. Still unconfirmed reports of up to 500 children in that school, and the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Home Department says that 3 children have been killed, and there are unconfirmed reports of up to 35 other children and people being injured. Reports also suggest that firing has now stopped as security forces have moved into the area. Other reports suggesting that the armed men who were dressed in fatigues, either army or police, black uniforms, entered the classrooms and started firing. TTP, the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan spokesperson, has been quoted by various Pakistani media as claiming responsibility for that. And as we said, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Home Department has said 3 children have been killed, and unconfirmed reports suggest that over 35 other people have been injured. Yusra Askari is joining us on the phone line for the latest. Yusra, we just saw a tweet from the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Home Department which said that 3 children had been killed. Is that confirmed?
Sorry, I didn't hear that, Amitabh.
The KPK Home Department tweet says that 3 children have been killed.
Yes, that is what we are hearing from our sources as well, that 3 students have lost their lives in this attack and at least 35 of them have been injured. We are receiving the report that most of the injured have been taken to Lady Reading Hospital, where they are under treatment. A large number of students have been moved out of the school premises and to a safe site. We do also know that the operation is still ongoing. 5 to 6 terrorists is what we are hearing now did enter the school premises in the garb of army personnel. They did enter via the back road of the school, which is located near the graveyard. It is said to be where they entered.
Yusra Askari reporting that. Yusra, we'll just come back to you. Let's just listen to eyewitnesses who spoke about the gunmen, at least 6 or 7 of them who entered the school compound and fired from classroom to classroom.